place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand.
Imtiazullah ji, and first of all I would like to thank you for visiting my place, and hopefully you are enjoying your stay. So let me start with my property. ये हमारी दो villas है. Right now we are standing in living room. हमारी entry is living cum dining room. So this villa consists of 4 bedrooms. इसमें 4 bedroom हैं. Kitchen हमारा यहाँ पे है. So generally what we do is if we have inquiry about 10 to 9 members, फिर हम पूरा विला उन लोगों के लिए दे देते हैं. We have our cook and staff over here, and we have menu with reasonable food, and we try to provide you homemade food. The main idea is to give homemade food with a homely touch. And दूसरी बात ये है कि अगर कोई इंडिविजुअल कपल्स भी हमारे पास आते हैं, जैसे इम्तियाज़ भाई आए हैं अपनी वाइफ, प्यारी सी वाइफ को लेके, तो हम इंडिविजुअली रूम्स भी देते हैं क्योंकि हर रूम्स की एंट्री अलग है. जैसे इस विला में 3 जो बेडरूम है वो हमारे डबल बेड वाले हैं, और एक जो रूम है हमारा सबसे टॉप पे है वो फैमिली रूम है. उसमें क्या है कि एक डबल बेड लगा हुआ है, एक सिंगल बेड लगा हुआ है. तो आई कैन से कि 2 बच्चे उसमें एडजस्ट हो जाते हैं, या फिर 3 एडल्ट हो, दे आर इजीली अकोमोडेटेड इन दैट विला.
Yeah. So first I would like to show this to you. Kapil Bhai is a national level skier. He has won lot of awards at national level. This is the view of the room.
This is the family attic room.
This is called the family attic room.
With one single bed and a double bed over here.
This is the bed. It looks really warm and cozy. This is the small sitting area here.
This is the front balcony.
And it has a lovely balcony from where you can see the snow-clad mountains. This side, the mountains that you are seeing now is the Dholara range. And this side, Kapil Bhai?
This is Peer Panjal range.
This side it is Peer Panjal range. You can see the entire surrounding, the snow-clad mountains. It's really beautiful. So this is the room. और कपिल भाई और क्या दिखाओगे?
ये हमारा सिटिंग रूम है.
Oh, see, this is lovely, made in Himachali way, local style.
Locally style.
Yeah.
This is tandoor. इसमें हम आग जलाते हैं, keep your room warm. So this is area for you can have your food. So there is Himachali culture, जिसमें कि आपको जो खाना है वो नीचे बैठ के खाना पड़ता है, not on a dining table. So this is the culture that usually the people coming abroad, they seem as a very very unique.
Yeah.
लेकिन जो बाहर के जो गेस्ट आते हैं वो सिर्फ डाइनिंग टेबल या उस पे ही खाते हैं. So this is I have started. This is a small area. You can sit over here. You can chat. तो आप यहाँ बैठ सकते हैं. This is हमारा जो
So basically what Kapil Bhai is saying, this is a local dining hall. Yeah. So this is a chimney here in tandoor. You can cook also. You can during winters you can sit here. It's like the tandoor, and it will keep you warm. And this is a small place wherein you can sit and enjoy your food and also talk as well. So this is very good to see. This is lovely. This is the dining hall or the eating place. So next we are moving.
This is our kitchen.
This is the kitchen.
यहाँ पे हम अपना जो लोकल कुजीन है, कई बार हमारे जो मदर आते हैं वो बनाते हैं, कई बार हमारी वाइफ आती है वो बनाते हैं, जो हम लोकल स्टाइल में. एज यू ट्राइड राणा चिकन लास्ट नाइट, तो या राणा मटन हम यहाँ पे कुक करते हैं. तो आई एम काइंड ऑफ थोड़ा बहुत कुकिंग आती है, तो मैं भी कुकिंग कर लेता हूँ. तो यहाँ पे हम बना के यहाँ बैठ के खिलाते हैं.
So this is the kitchen. Here when we talk about local food, this is a place where Kapil Bhai cooks his food for the guests. See, it is really clean. The hygiene is really maintained. And Kapil Bhai says that his wife or his mother, who sometimes when they come, they cook food, local food for a guest here also. So if you want to enjoy local food, this is the place you can have it cooked by Kapil Bhai's mom and wife.
So here comes our living room.
This is the living room.
This is my private part. So generally जब guest आते हैं तो वो हमारे यहाँ we can sit here. We generally sit here. We discuss about the tourism and we discuss about other things. So this is few of my trophies over here.
So you can see these are the trophies. Not few, there are many. Kapil Bhai is well known for skiing, and now he is contributing to the society as well by conducting courses. So this is the living room. This is Kapil Bhai's private space. This where
we allow our guests. I personally like to meet different people around the world. To share ideas about tourism, about anything. Like general matters. So I would like to gather information and to give information. So I always try my best. So main idea is to give homely environment.
Yeah, that
no
is
formalities. Brother has, he is living in one of the room. Even I was telling you last night because I have not even installed an intercom. The main idea is to get you come to the living room, you ask my boys so that you could be familiar with my boys also.
Yeah.
That's the main idea.
See, this is a very good concept because when I entered his room yesterday night and I was pondering what to eat for dinner, I asked Kapil Bhai where is the intercom so that I can order. So he smilingly told me that I do not promote intercom in the rooms. I do not have intercoms because in that way you can talk to his boys, his team here, and you can get to know from them as well. So this is a very good thing that Kapil Bhai has thought about. It's not like a normal hotel. If you want to experience local culture, local cuisine, and experience how the local people in Manali and in Himachal live, so that's why you should be coming to this place. Thank you, Kapil Bhai, for maintaining this in such a good way.
So now we have, this is one of the rooms, So this is typically wooden room, which we generally allow to our guests from abroad. This kind of I try to give like a chalet type of thing. This is the room, and
This is the balcony.
this is the balcony.
And see, this is the view from his balcony.
So you can have a Sonag Valley view over here.
So nothing like sipping a cup of tea or coffee in this balcony and enjoying this view, the Dholadhar range. It's really beautiful. It's really beautiful.
So let's go to the other room. These are the washrooms. You can have a look.
These are the washroom. They're really clean and really well maintained. Hygiene is one thing that Kapil Bhai has taken into consideration. That is very important. This is one more room. It is similar in structure.
Similar room, and separate with their separate balconies. So this is one of my favorite room, which I have designed according to my taste.
This room has been designed by Kapil Bhai himself,
So
and he says this is his favorite room.
So I always, whenever I want to booze, so I come here in this room. This is kind of one double bed here, and this is bed come couch. So
See, so this is the sitting area. It's a couch there, wherein you can lay down or sit and enjoy some drinks as well. So hopefully Kapil Bhai will have some drinks today in the evening.
We'll sit here in my
Yeah. So this is the room. This is Kapil Bhai's favorite room. He has himself designed it. This looks lovely, Kapil Bhai. This looks really lovely.
This room also has a balcony.
Every room has a separate balcony. And from the other room you could see the Dholadhar range. Here you can see this side it is the Pir Panjal range, and this side it is the Dholadhar range. And it was lovely talking to you, and it was really great to see your property. And hopefully you'll have more people from India and abroad as well. and it's a pleasure meeting with you.
Thank you, Mr. Imtiazullah ji, for coming here and staying with us. And I would like to very all the best for you. The work you are doing, writing articles and being as a nomad lawyer. So I would love to host you again and again.